Assalamualaikum. Hi everybody. In my last video, I told you how I make this PCB at home, and I also mentioned that I ordered this PCB online from China, and then today I received this package and I'm going to unbox it now. This is the package that I received. Okay, and this is the box. It is not opened yet. Now I'm going to open it. We will see the quality of this PCB from this company, JLCPCB. Okay, I ordered 20 piece of this PCB. Quantity 20. Okay, now I have to okay, you will see. Okay, let's compare it with my PCB. This is version 4 and this one is the version 3. Okay, it looks good. And I told you also that this is the interrupter box ordered by a guy in Australia, and I did the final test for this, and then it failed. Okay, now I think I'm going to replace the PCB with this one, and also replace the MOSFET. This one has IRF 550, and I'm going to use IRF 740. Did I say it correctly? This one has IRF 540 and I'm going to use IRF 740 for this one, and install it here, and yes, I hope that it works. Okay, I think that's it. This is the complete box. This one failed as well. I think the MOSFET is not good enough for the ignition coil. Okay, I think that's it for today. and until next video, bye bye.